Hi, I'm Stormecloud. In this video, we are going to look over how to set up artboards in Photoshop for your next big project. Artboards are like multiple canvas shown on one document that can be customized and sized to your liking. Artboards are a great way to create multiple design layouts for web, mobile, and responsive design. It reminds me of the expression, back to the old drawing board. I personally like to use them for design consistency and to quickly update my website's look. Let's dive in. First, we'll start a new document. You can choose the Web tab at the top and choose a blank document preset, or if you're feeling really specific, choose your own preset details to the right. Be sure to check mark the Art box. If you are wanting a web project, be sure the resolution is set to 72 and the color mode is set to RGB. I set my bits to 16 bits on default for a deep color, but that topic is lengthy and for another video. Press the arrow down box to save and name the preset for future use. Your saved presets will be under the Save tab. Press Create. Here you have your first art box. It acts like a group, and your layers are grouped below. You can have multiple artboards. Press any of the plus signs to create a new artboard of the same size, or use the Artboard tool, or V, under the default keyboard shortcut to quickly drag an artboard in place. Another option is to press Ctrl-J on PC or Command-J on Mac. This trick can become even better later in the video. You can use the V tool to click on an artboard outline and move the artboard around to your liking. The Snap tool will always snap the artboard in place and align with existing boards around it. You can always turn that off under View, Snap, or View, Snap to, and choose which snaps you want to keep or turn off. The Properties window can be found under the window and click Properties. You can see the width and height as well as the X and Y axis preferences. We are focusing on width and height for this video. Because my panels on my website are 320 pixels by 100 pixels, I want to adjust my width and height accordingly. Press Enter. I don't need these other artboards, so I can hold Shift while clicking all three, or I can go to my groups in the Layers window, click Artboard 3, hold Shift, then click Artboard 1. All these three groups should be highlighted. You may release Shift, then press Delete, or the Backspace button. Let's make some panels. First, let's give this newborn panel a name. Double-click the group in the Layers window to edit the name. Since I am making these panels for my website, I want a panel called About Me. Find a picture of your choosing to use as a background. I love Pixabay.com or Unsplash.com for copyright-free images and videos, even for commercial purposes. I found a stunning galaxy background that matches my website's colors perfectly. Next, choose a font. Adobe has several to choose from and can be accessible either at the top or a character window, and click the arrow on the first box. Click the Creative Cloud logo. I created my first panel, and most of my work is complete. This next part is fun. Remember Ctrl-J or Command-J we did earlier? Let's try that again. This time we are going to select our group, not the layers. You can tell it's a group by the arrow to the left next to the name. Then press Ctrl-J or Command-J. The entire group duplicated, making this super easy to constantly make new panels with the same dimensions and styles. Be sure to lock your layers to not destroy your pretty panels, but keep your text layer unlocked. All I need to do now is change the type. Let's make this Contact Me. My text is not centered. I quickly hit the Escape button and V to get back to the Move tool, or you can click on the Move tool to the top left. Hit the Align Horizontal and Align Vertical centers at the top. Here you have it! You created your artboards and your first project! Congratulations! If you enjoy this video, press the like button and subscribe for more content. I put out new videos every week. If you have any questions or other tricks to help, please comment below. Happy creating!